Welcome back to the channel where we simplify technology for you. For this video, I will demonstrate how to use the filter function in Google Sheets. So let's get started. Filter function returns a filtered version of the source range, returning only rows or columns which meet the specified condition. So you start using the filter function with an equal sign, the function name filter, and then a pair of parentheses. Within the pair of parentheses, we have the range and then the condition separated by a comma. To better understand this, how it works, let's give an example. So I have here the list of my students per section with grades from the first up to the fourth subject, and then we have the last column, average grade. So let's say I would like to get the list of achieving students. So based on their average grades, so list of achieving students. So wherein their grade is greater than or equal to 90. So to filter it using that condition, I'll make use of filter and then open close parenthesis. The first argument is the range from A2 up to G39 and then separate it with a comma. And then our next argument is the condition wherein the average grade which is from G2 up to G39 is greater than or equal to 90. So you will see that after typing, I have now generated a list of achieving students. So from different sections wherein the average is greater than or equal to 90. Again, how do you use it? So for example, I'd like to get the list of priority students wherein students' grades are less than 75 or those who are failing. So to filter the record, so again, filter and then open close parenthesis. And then we have now the range. So from A2 up to G39. And then based on their final grade, we will check or we will only show all the records whose final grade is less than 75. So upon pressing the return key, we have now the list of students whose grade is less than 75. So that is how you use the filter function in Google Sheets. If you have any question, please comment down below. Bye for now!